Python is currently used for everything. Although it is very easy to learn, but it is very useful and powerful. Its fields are so many, and by learning Python, it will be very easy for you to get higher jobs in the largest companies, such as Google, Dropbox, Spotify, and many more. Simply you can do multi-skill tasks with Python, because it is multi-purpose professionally and quickly with fewer lines of code. Also, Python works everywhere. Among its most important fields are data science, machine learning, web application development, desktop application development, cybersecurity, and many other fields that cannot be confined to one video. Plus, you can use it on any operating system you use. Python programs can be written and executed with any text editor or any IDE easily. Hi, my name is Ahmed Ibra. I am a software engineer and instructor with a great experience. I have taught over 100,000 programmers from more than 145 countries. And I'll be very happy to teach you in this course. I'll help and support you through this step-by-step course. Because the most important thing for me is helping you to get the most out of this course and to become a professional Python developer. And by the end of this course, you will have all the skills that Python experts have. If you need anything or any help during this course, you can ask me all the time, and I'll be very happy to help you. In this course, we will start from very easy basic topics, such as variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, functions, and many others. Then we will move on to advanced concepts, such as object-oriented design, and also how to deal with data science libraries and modules of all kinds. Then we will move on to learn how to use databases with Python programming language. All of that and more, supported by practical examples. And I'll be available to assist and support you line by line during this course. This course is carefully prepared to save your time and to increase your focus while learning without feeling bored. So we have a lot to cover in this course. Let's get started.